Today, inshallah, we'll continue with the revision sheet. We've reached question 35, and today we'll continue. So, let's go down to the next question. We've solved question 35 yesterday, and today we'll start with question 36. Before we start, my hearers, if you have any problems about any question before, please tell me. Okay. So let's start with the first question. Abdullah Al-Qadi. Abdullah Al-Qadi.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my hero. The first question here is divide. And we need to divide 42 by 5.
42 divide by 5. I think can't be.
Okay, let me explain to you something, my hero. Can't be means that you cannot perform the division. And we can say this when you divide a smaller number by a bigger number. And it can be, but the answer is 0. The quotient is 0 and we have remainder. So if I tell you that we need to divide 3 by 5, in this case you can say this is can't be, or you can see that it's 0 and the remainder is the 3 as it is. So the division in this case, the quotient is 0 and the remainder is 3. So this is where you can say cannot be.
Teacher, you can hear me?
Yes, and please mute your mic, my hero. So here, Abdullah, 42 is more than 5. So how can we do this? Do you know? Okay, I will help you something. We will go ahead with the timetable of 5, the multiples of 5. Of course, it's easy for you to give me the multiples of 5.
5.
Yes.
10. 20.
No, 15.
50. 20.
Okay, my hero, just give me a second. What are we searching for? We're searching for the dividend, which is 42. So when you skip the 42, stop. Okay? Continue.
Okay.
5 times 5.
20,
Okay.
25. 13. 35. 14. 54.
45.
45.
So now we need to stop. Why? Because we need 42. And 42 lies in here, between the 40 and 45.
9 and 8.
Yes. So this is divide, not estimate. In this case, we take the smaller number. So we are going to use this one. So what is the quotient?
8.
Great. So I can write here in the top 8, and I will write it in the over the 2, and down here I will write the 40. After that we should
minus.
Great. 2 minus 0.
2.
4 minus 4.
0.
Okay, when you finish, please do not forget to write the remainder near to the quotient, because we need to see it all the answer in one place. I cannot I want to see it in the top here, so I will write the remainder, which is 2. And now it's easy for you to choose the correct answer. My hero, the correct answer is
C.
Great, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, now let's move to the next question. Ibrahim Zamami.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Ibrahim, go ahead.
A group of friends are playing a board game. As part of the game, each player is given the same number of cards. There are 6 players and 58 cards. How many cards will each player get? Each player gets the same number of cards.
Okay, we have a picture here, we can use it, and also we can do it without using the picture. And as you know, what should we do? We need to divide the 58 cards to the 6 players. Okay, let's do this.
Yes.
Of course, you will go through the timetable of 6, the multiple of 6,
6.
and search for 58. Okay, my hero, go ahead. Go ahead. I think we need to go up because 58 is very big. In relative to 6, this is very big because, as you know, 6 times 10 is 60. And this is near to 60. So, let's try the 9. If we try to multiply by 9, 6 times 9, so it will be
equal 54.
Great. And yes, 54 is less than 58. So we can use it. How to use it? Write the 9 above the 5 or the 8.
The 8.
And down here under the 58, right?
54.
And
minus.
Great.
8 minus 4 equal 4.
5
minus 5, 0.
Great. So choose the correct answer, my hero. A, B, or C, or D.
D.
So each player will get 9 cards and there will be 4 cards left over. Great work, my hero. Thank you. Okay, everyone, let's move to the next question. And in this one, we have a picture and we need to choose one of the division sentences here. Okay, so let's go ahead. Consider that we don't have the sentences and we need to create the sentence using the picture. قرر Mahdi.
Here I'm Karar. I'm Mahdi.
Okay, Mahdi, please wait for the next question. And Karar, go ahead.
What division should...
Okay, you see the picture, my hero, and as you can see, this is division sentence, and we need to write a number here and another number here and the quotient and the remainder. So you have 4 spaces. Please help me to fill these spaces. Okay, start with any space you want. Okay, my hero, how many groups do you have? How many groups can you see?
I have 4 groups.
Great. And it's easy for us to count the number inside the group, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's count. This is 10. And each one of these is 1. Okay, count, my hero, and tell me what's the number inside the group?
10 and 0, 8 1.
So it is 1 tens and 8 ones. So
18.
Great. So this is 18. And also this is 18. This is 18. 18 in each one. It's 18. So this is the dividend or the quotient or the remainder. Where to write it?
The
This is
quotient.
quotient.
Teacher,
Excellent.
what's the answer for number 37? I see the steps, but I can't write
Okay.
the answer.
Ali, you can watch the video because you interrupt us now. We are not solving 37 now, my hero.
Quotient.
Okay, and you know the remainder, of course. You can see the remainder here.
Yes.
What's the remainder?
2.
Great. So we need now to find this one, the dividend. How to find the dividend?
Whole.
Okay, count them all. How many tens do you have in all?
4.
So 40. And how many ones?
8.
8. 4 times, so 32.
4.
And 2 remainder, so
3. 34.
oh, you said oh, sorry, 34. Yes, you're right, not 37. You see 32 and 2, so it's 34. Okay, add them, my hero.
And
4 plus 3 equals
4 plus 0 equals 4, and 4 plus 3 equals 7.
so I should write here 74, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's choose the correct answer. Which one?
D.
Yes, thank you, my hero. And everyone, you can do this in many ways, but this is one way how to solve it, and you can do it using the sentences and the choices here. Okay, let's do this again with question 39, and I move to Mahdi. Thank you, Karar. Great work.
Yes.
Go ahead, Mahdi. This is the same question, my hero. Do you like the way that we solved the previous one? We can use the same way if you want. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I will make the spaces and you help me to fill them.
Okay.
Go ahead. Start anywhere you want. It's easy. Start with the remainder. What's the remainder?
2.
Okay. What's the number of groups?
20
The number of groups. Okay.
groups.
Yes, this is the number of groups.
18.
18 is the number of groups.
No.
How many
no.
groups can how many rectangles can you
3.
see? 3 rectangles, 3 groups. So the divisor is 3. And what's the quotient? We need to find the quotient and the dividend.
The quotient is 32.
The quotient is 32.
23.
Okay, 23, great. And the dividend to find it, count all
21.
the counters. Again?
71.
71, great. Okay, so which one is the correct answer, my hero?
C.
Okay, this one.
Mr. Could I ask a
Yes,
question?
thank you, my hero, good work. Of course, my hero.
Why do you write 71?
Okay,
All of this 71?
Ahmed, count the tens. 1, 2,
Okay.
3,
1,
4,
3,
5,
5.
6. So this is 60.
Yeah.
And how many ones?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, add them. That's all.
Okay. Now I get it. Thanks.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, my heroes, any problems? So let's move to the next question. The next question this time we have, okay, there's someone using the mic. Please mute your mics. Muhammad Jawad, do not forget your mic. Muhammad Zaki. Muhammad Zaki.
Here.
Okay, my hero, go ahead.
I'm here.
Lish is making tile-topped tables. Lish has a box of 77 tiles. Each table will have 9 tiles. So I will stop here and we will try to understand the data that we have now. We have a box of 77 tiles. So this is the total number of tiles that we have. And each table will have 9 tiles. So we need to distribute the 77 to 9 tables to divide the 77 into 9 groups. What is the greatest number of tile-topped tables Alicia can make? So, to solve this question, what should we do, my hero?
Add.
Add plus as you can see, my hero, each table will have 9 tiles and the total number of tiles is 77. So we need to divide the 77 by the number of tiles in each table. Right?
Right.
So we need to divide it by 9 and okay, you can do this using the division algorithm. Help me, my hero. What should I write here?
Okay. Right. 7.
77. Great. And what I should write in this place?
9.
Great.
9.
And how should we start with the timetable of what?
9.
9. Great. And we are searching for 77. So go through the timetable of 9 and try to find the 77. And it's easy for you, my hero, to check the numbers here. It's one of these numbers.
12.
Okay, so 9 times 7 and 9 times 8 and 9 times 9. That's what we need to find. Okay, 9 times 7.
9 times 7. 9 7 times. 20 minutes.
Yes?
I'm just counting.
But you are taking too long time. My hero, please keep the timetable. I'll help you with the first one. It's 63. And 9 multiplied by 8. Okay, these are multiples of 9, so each time add 9. Quickly, my hero.
9 times 8.
You are taking too long time, my hero.
Well, what shall I take?
Okay, you have a note because you don't keep the table. It's 72. And do you know 9 multiplied by 9?
Okay, but I still know the answer. I mean,
Okay,
I
my
know
hero,
the
keep the
question.
table. Keep the table and I will erase the note. But now, do you know 9 times 9?
9 times 9. I
It's
do, but it
81.
will take long time. I will take long time to count it.
You will take what?
9. Long time to count it.
Okay, that's why I told you that you need to keep the table. Okay, I'll check you again with the table. But now I want you to tell me which one should we use? Which fact of these 3 facts? We have 3 facts here. Which one is the one that we should use?
8.
Yes. So we will use 8 because it gives us 72. So let's write the 8 in the top over the 7 and the 72 down here. And what should we do to find the remainder? We should subtract, Muhammad. So 7 minus 2. Go ahead, my hero.
7 minus 2. 5.
And 7 minus 7. You are taking a long time to subtract 7 minus 7. When you subtract any number minus
Zero.
itself, it's 0. You don't need to count. Okay, if you have 7 and you give away 7, so the remainder with you is 0. Okay, my hero, now what's the remainder here for the division?
Alison can make 8 tables. There will be 5 tails of left over. Number B.
Yes, the letter B is the correct answer. Thank you, my hero. Great work. And do not forget to keep the timetable.
Okay.
Okay, my heroes, any questions? Any problems about question 40? Okay, so let's move to the next question. And I will choose one of my heroes to help me. Abdurrahman Anwar. Abdurrahman Anwar. Abdulaziz Al-Abbad. Al-Hassan Al-Hilal.
Mister, is that my name?
I don't know who are you. My hero, say your name. Okay, I will call the names again. Abdulaziz Al-Abbad, Abdurrahman Anwar, Al-Hassan Al-Hilal, Ali Qattan, Daniel Isa.
Mister, I am Abdulaziz Al-Abbad.
Okay, welcome, my hero. Question 41.
Mister, I am
Of course, my hero, go ahead.
Okay, 41.
Yes, read the question, my hero.
Michael has 61 orange. Michael has 61 orange that he
Wishes to split. Split means to divide something. Divide. So he wants to divide them among. Among means two. Divide them two for gift baskets.
Okay. It will be, teacher.
Okay, what should we do?
We should do 4 divide 61 divide 4.
Yes, 61. Excellent. 61 divided by 4. So let's start with the 6 divided by 4.
There is no
Oh, but 6 is more than 4. So 6 divided by 4 equals What number times 4 gives less than 6?
But four and multiply for the 4. There's no 61. So we will take.
My heroes, but just give me a second. You are trying to divide the 61 in one time, but we need to divide the 6 first, then the 1.
Yes.
Okay, so because 6 is more than 4, so it's not 0. So the quotient will be 2 digits. I have 2 digits in the quotient here. 6 divided by 4.
6 divided by 4 1.
Okay, 6 divided by, oh sorry, 6 divided by 4 equals 1. So you mean that 4 times 1 equals 4. This is the fact that you will use, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what
So
should we write in the top
1
and down? 1 times
and
4,
down
which is 4. So now we did 2
5.
steps, multiplied and dividing, then multiplication. Now we should do the third step, subtract.
Yes. 4 minus 6
6 minus 4 equals.
2.
Drop the next digit.
The next digit it will be if we take from the 1 4.
We drop down the 1, right?
Yes.
So
We
now it's
cannot.
21.
Yes.
Okay, 21 divided by 4. I will make this a little bit larger so you can see better.
Yes.
Okay, 21 divided by 4. What number times 4 equals 21 or less?
21.
I think you have 20,
20.
which is 4 times.
Will 4. Yes, sir.
Yes, 4 times 5. So,
Yes, but
what should we write in the quotient and what should we write down?
we will write down.
Start with the quotient here first. We should write in the quotient the 5.
We
and
should. In the quotient, we will write
5.
5.
And down under the 21. We are using this one, my hero. So
20.
we write the 5 in the top and 20 down, and we subtract. The remainder will be
Yes. 0 and down 0.
1 minus 0 is 0,
No, 1.
and 2 minus 2.
2 minus 2.
Yes.
0.
Okay, we need to write the remainder in the top with the quotient. So what is the remainder?
Remainder. The remainder. Wait. 1.
Okay, so now use this and tell me which one is the correct answer.
B.
Again?
B.
Okay, just give me a second to adjust the screen. You said B or D?
B.
B, this one?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Good
Teacher,
work. Yes, who's
I
this?
knew the answer because I just counted by 15.
Oh, great.
15, 30, and 45, then 60.
Yes.
Easy.
Good.
And
So,
one left over
what
because
Muhammad say,
the
my
number's
hero?
not equal.
Okay, Muhammad, let
Yes,
me
sir.
explain to your friend what you say. Muhammad say that Muhammad says that he can use the choices here. So this is one of the ways that you can use to answer the question. You can multiply 14 by 4, 15 by 4, 16, and so on. For the first one, 14 times 4, then add 5. The next one, 15 times 4, then add 1. Okay, so 15 times 4, then add 1. If you want to use this this way, you will get the correct answer also. This is a good way. Thank you,
Mister.
Muhammad. Yes?
There's something right in the chat.
Okay, please, my heroes, do not use the chat because I cannot stop the session to see the chat.
Okay, teacher. Sorry.
Okay, my heroes, let's continue. The next question is question 42. Muhammad Jawad,
Yes.
go ahead, my hero. If a 5-serving package of pasta has 205 grams of carbohydrates, I will stop here to understand what we have. We have what? What data do we have? We have 5 serving packages. Do you know the serving packages? Do you know the pasta? My hero, use your mic.
Me, teacher.
Muhammad Jawad. Muhammad, use your mic or I will choose another hero. Okay, I think Muhammad has a problem with the mic, so I will choose another hero to help me because I cannot hear him. Malik Tamer.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my hero. We stopped here in this place,
Yes.
and we want to understand what we have in this sentence. We need to understand this sentence. Okay, let's explain it to ourselves. We have 5 serving packages of pasta.
Yes, we have five serving package of pasta has 205 grams of carbohydrates.
Yeah, so the number of serving packages is 5. 5 serving,
Yes,
right?
Yes.
Okay, and these 5 provides us with 205 grams of carbohydrates.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. I will erase this line so we can continue. Let's see what the question asks us. How many grams of carbohydrates does each serving contain? Okay, my hero, do you know what should we do?
5 divide, yes?
You divide by 5, you mean, right?
Divide 205.
Yes, so let's divide 205 by 5. I will write it here.
Divide 5.
Okay, 205 divided by 5. Go ahead, my hero. 2 divided by 5 equals?
Can be so 0.
And we take the
But
next.
20 divided by 5 can be 4.
Yes,
So
excellent.
we write 4 up and 20 also down. Now we make minus 20 minus 20. It will be 0, 0.
Drop the next digit.
And we put the 5.
Okay. So now 5 divided by
Then
5.
5 divided by 5 can be of the 1. So 41 grams. It's 8
Okay, but we need.
41
Okay, my
grams.
hero, but we need to finish the division, the steps of the division down here. Right?
Yes.
Okay, don't leave it like this. Continue. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Because I want to know if I have a remainder. But I'm sure that we don't have remainder. And what should we choose?
41 grams. 8 those 41 grams.
Malik, you are a star. Thank you, my hero. Muhammad Jawad, are you back?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad. Please do not mute your mic, okay?
Okay.
Let your mic work when you answer.
But teacher, I thought the answer would be 1025 grams because I thought it will be adding.
Adding.
Yeah,
Okay,
we add.
the question asks us about how many grams of carbohydrates does each serving contain? I think it's clear
What
that we
does
need
that
to
mean?
divide the 205 into 5 groups.
Oh, now I understand.
Okay,
Thank you,
great
teacher.
work. Okay, Muhammad Jawad, divide 195 by 8. Muhammad Jawad. Again, Muhammad. Okay. I don't know what's the problem with the Muhammad's mic, but I will choose another hero to help me. Nader.
I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, my hero, go ahead. We need to divide 195 by 8.
8.
195 by 8. Okay. We need to write the multiples of 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me write them down here. I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. I don't need more than 9. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
8.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72.
Great work. Now we have the
Teacher.
multiples. Yes. Yes, Abdurrahman.
I thought you're not here.
Okay, I can hear you. And if you are ready, you can solve with me the next question.
Okay.
Okay, Nader, continue with me.
Yeah.
Now we have the multiples. We will use them in our division. Of course, this is draft. This is not with the solution.
Yeah.
Okay, let's write the answer. How to answer this? We start with the 1. 1 divided by 8.
You can't, so it's gonna be 19 divided by 8. 2 up and
And
16 down.
great.
And one and minus equals 3.
Okay, now drop the
And
next
drop-
digit.
5.
So it's 35.
And 4 up and 32 down. And gonna be 3.
Okay, so what should I write in the remainder here?
3.
Great. Okay, my heroes, that's okay. So, Nader, which one is the correct answer?
B.
Okay, great work, my hero. Thank you. Okay, my heroes, do you have any problems? Abdurrahman, I told you that you can solve the next question. Please try to solve it in
Yes,
the
yes,
next
I'm here.
session. In the next session, inshallah, you will solve. I will start with you.
On the
and
next session?
you'll- Yes, because this is the end of our session today. Okay, my heroes,
Okay.
any questions, any problems?
Teacher, we finished early today.
We finished. This is 3:40 now. Check your watch.
Yeah, yeah, it's my time now, like that. We'll
Okay.
join now for 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you, my heroes, and see you next session. And goodbye.
Bye, teacher. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, my heroes. Goodbye.